Our task today is we're going to indirectly measure the height of an object outside, something really tall. So here's how we're going to do this. The first thing we need to do is go outside when there's some sunlight out and there's a shadow being cast. And you need to identify a tall object outside, something like a tree. Okay, it could be a street sign, a lamppost, anything that's taller than you. Once we've picked our object and we've got our shadows cast on the ground, we're ready to start measuring. So the first thing we're going to need is our height. And then we're going to need to measure the length of our shadow. Likewise, we're going to need to measure the length of the object's shadow. With these three things, we can then calculate the height of the object that's outside. So here's how that's going to work. Here you can see the proportion that we've got set up. On the left side of the equal sign, we're going to write a ratio of our height compared to our shadow length. So for example, I'm 74 inches tall, and let's just say my shadow is 36 inches long. On the opposite side, we're going to have h to represent the height of the object, because we don't know what that is, but in the denominator, we can put in the height of the length of the shadow. I'm just going to say that that's 84 inches. From here, we can solve the proportion, and a popular way to do that is by cross multiplying. So we'll have 36h equals 74 times 84. Your job will be to solve that equation for h. So we'll simplify this side, and then we would divide both sides by 36. Once you've completed the work for the equation, your answer will be in inches, and that will be the height of the object you've just measured. Enter in your measurements and your final answer in the question posted in Google Classroom, and then we'll review them in class to see if our measurements sound like they make sense. Good luck, guys.